We thought the Sian was a one-off, a rare $3.6 million experiment that gave us a taste of the future. But Lamborghini was just getting started. What you are looking at is the next chapter, the 2027 Lamborghini Sián. It's not just a hybrid, it is a declaration of war against silence. While the world goes fully electric, Lamborghini has taken its legendary V12, strapped a supercapacitor to its chest like Iron Man, and created the most powerful road-legal bull in history. Rumors say it will hit 1,000 horsepower. But is this the ultimate evolution of the V12, or its final scream before the batteries take over? Today we unlock the future. Welcome to New Car. Let's cut to the chase. The 2027 Sián is rumored to be the spiritual successor to the limited-run Sián FKP37. But this time, it's not just a showpiece. It's built on the same architecture as the new Revuelto, but turned up to 11. The heart of this beast is a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 screaming to 9,500 RPM. But unlike the old days, it's not alone. It's paired with a next-generation supercapacitor system, technology Lamborghini pioneered and is now perfecting. Why a supercapacitor and not a normal battery? Because it's 3 times more powerful than a battery of the same weight. It charges instantly every time you brake and dumps all that power the second you touch the gas. We're talking about a combined output rumored to exceed 950, maybe even 1,000 horsepower. 0 to 60 in under 2.5 seconds. And a top speed that doesn't just break 220 miles per hour, it shatters it. Visually, the 2027 Sián makes the Aventador look like a family sedan. It draws heavy inspiration from the Terzo Millennio concept. The front end is dominated by massive Y-shaped daytime running lights that look like lightning bolts frozen in carbon fiber. The active aero is insane. The rear wing is integrated flush into the bodywork and only rises when you need downforce or air braking. And the periscopio roof tunnel? It's back, channeling air directly into that massive V12 engine bay. But the coolest detail? The active cooling vanes. They use patented smart materials that react to the heat of the exhaust, opening automatically without any motors or electronics. It's almost a live step inside, and you're not in a car. You're in a mech suit. The 2027 Sián features a driver-focused cockpit that wraps around you. The rumors point to a new, skeletonized dashboard that uses 3D printed titanium parts to save weight. There is no massive central iPad here. Instead, you have 3 smaller screens, one for the driver, one for the passenger, so they can see how fast they are about to die, and a small vertical screen for essential controls. The start button is still hidden under a red fighter jet flap, because some things should never change. And yes, the entire interior can be 3D printed with your initials or family crest if you have enough money. So can you buy one? Probably not. The original Sian was limited to just 63 coupes and 19 roadsters, all sold before they were even revealed. The 2027 model is expected to follow a similar path, ultra-exclusive, ultra-expensive. We are talking about a price tag north of $4 million. It sits above the Revuelto as the halo car of the brand, a collector's piece that bridges the gap between the combustion past and the electric future, like the upcoming Lanzador EV. The 2027 Lamborghini Sián proves one thing: the V12 isn't dead, it's just evolved. It uses electricity not to save the polar bears, but to make the car faster, scarier, and more violent. So here's the question. If you had $4 million, would you buy this V12 hybrid monster, or would you wait for the fully electric Lamborghini GT coming in 2028? Let me know in the comments below. Team V12 or Team EV? Smash that like button if you want Lamborghini to keep making V12 forever, and subscribe to New Car because next week, we are looking at the Ferrari that wants to beat this thing. See you next time.